Hi Sam. Today we're going to learn the word
Partner.
Oh, interesting. What does it mean?
Partner.
primarily means a partner in a relationship, but it can also refer to a business partner or someone you collaborate with. The most common usage is in romantic contexts. Just remember, it's not a false friend like in some languages, or it might refer to a friend instead.
Got it. So how do we use it in German?
Great question.
Partner.
Is a masculine noun, so it's
Der Partner.
in singular. The plural form is.
Die Partner.
To give you some context, you could say,
Mein Partner ist sehr nett.
which means, my partner is very nice.
And how would I use it in the past tense?
In the past tense, you might say,
Ich hatte einen Partner.
which means I had a partner. Then in perfect, you would say,
Ich habe einen Partner gehabt.
meaning I have had a partner.
Are there any commands we can use with this word?
Yes. You can say,
Sei ein guter Partner.
which means be a good partner. It's a nice way to encourage someone.
That's useful.
The word
Partner.
actually comes from the Latin word,
Partizeps.
meaning one who shares. It's fascinating how the meaning has stayed quite similar through the centuries.
Wow, that is interesting.
Now, let's break down.
Partner.
The prefix
Part.
refers to part or share, and the suffix
Näher.
is a common ending for someone who does something. So, it suggests someone who shares something with you.
That makes sense.
There are also many related words. For example,
Partnerschaft.
means partnership, which is a compound word made of
Partner.
and.
Schaft.
Then you have,
Partnerin.
which is the feminine form.
Okay, so the same root, just different endings.
Exactly. Other examples include
Mitpartner.
meaning co-partner, and
Geschäftspartner.
meaning business partner. You see, the prefix
Geschäft.
means business.
What about more examples?
Sure. There's
Vertragspartner.
meaning contractual partner, and
Lernpartner.
which means study partner. Then we have the related words like
Partnerbörse,
For dating site, and
Wettbewerbspartner,
for competition partner.
Wow, that's a lot of words to remember.
Yes, but they all connect back to.
Partner,
Let's practice speaking a bit. Imagine you're at a business meeting. You might say,
ich suche einen Geschäftspartner.
meaning I am looking for a business partner.
Ich suche einen Geschäftspartner.
Perfect. Now, how about a situation at a cafe? You could say,
Mein Partner und ich möchten einen Tisch für 2.
which means my partner and I would like a table for 2.
Mein Partner und ich möchten einen Tisch für 2.
Excellent. Now, let's say you're at a party. You could say,
Ich habe einen neuen Partner kennengelernt.
meaning I met a new partner.
Ich habe einen neuen Partner kennengelernt.
Great job. Now, let's talk about the gender of.
Partner,
The masculine ending is a hint, and since it's a compound, you can remember that it follows the last noun in compound forms.
I see.
Some common phrases include
mein Partner und ich.
my partner and I, and
Wir arbeiten zusammen.
we work together. Just be careful not to confuse
Partner,
with,
Freund.
which means friend, especially in casual conversation.
I can see how that could happen.
Now let's use some example sentences. For instance,
Mein Partner ist sehr unterstützend.
meaning my partner is very supportive. Or,
Ich habe mit meinem Partner einen Vertrag unterschrieben.
which means I signed a contract with my partner.
Nice.
Here's another one.
Wir sind seit 5 Jahren Partner.
Which means we have been partners for 5 years. And another.
Gestern habe ich mit meinem Partner gesprochen.
Meaning yesterday, I spoke with my partner.
That's really helpful.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Partner,
mean?
It means partner, like in a relationship or business.
Correct. What is the feminine form?
Partnerin.
Good. How do you say I had a partner in German?
Ich hatte einen Partner.
Yes. What's the plural form?
Die Partner.
Right again. And how would you say be a good partner?
Sei ein guter Partner.
Excellent work today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Partner,
refers to someone you share something with, whether in a romantic or business context.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.